Welcome to this video series, Study Like a Scientist. Let's learn how to use research-based strategies to build long-term memory and recall knowledge efficiently and effectively. In this video, we will learn about transforming. Transforming promotes connections. It makes learning visually memorable, and it builds observational skills. Transforming promotes detailed and precise descriptive writing and challenges new ways of thinking. So step 1, you need to pick a paragraph of text. Step 2, you have to produce a diagram, chart or sketch that represents what is written in the paragraph. And step 3, you've got to avoid using words in your diagram, chart or sketch. Or you could go the other way round. Pick a diagram, chart or sketch and write a paragraph of explanation about it. Transforming is great if you work with a friend and compare your final transformations with each other and discuss the differences. So now you know how to use transforming to study like a scientist. Why don't you check out interleaving so that you can build transforming into spaced practice and improve your long-term memory even more?